You just got a salary raise. More money is coming in every month, and you got more money to save. You feel like you're finally getting ahead. You're not. In fact, statistically speaking, you are poorer today than you were this time last year, and you saving money every month made it even worse. And there's a reason for that. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why saving money is keeping you poor, and 3 steps to fix it you can start implementing today. The problem. This is Bob. Bob puts 250 euros per month into his savings account. His savings account is paying him around 1% of interest rate. So, on a yearly basis, he's earning... Oh, wait. Actually, he's losing. Because in Europe, inflation has been running anywhere between 4 and 8% over the last few years. Meaning that even though Bob thought he saved 3,000 euros this year, he actually lost. Every single month, without him even realizing. Back in 1990, the average savings account paid around 8% per year. Saving money actually made sense. You put it aside, and it grew. It beat inflation. By the 2010s, rates had dropped, sitting near only 0.06% for years. Today, the average sits around 1%. While inflation kept running, saving money stopped working and nobody updated the advice. Your parents told you that saving money is how you build a future. Save enough and one day you can buy a house. That was true for them, but it isn't true anymore. So what do you do about it? There are 3 steps. And the first one is purely psychological. You don't earn what comes in on your bank account. For example, you earn 3,000 euros a month. You don't earn 3,000 euros a month. You only earn 80% of that. As long as you think you earn 100%, you'll spend 100%. So you need to start learning how to live on 80%. The other 20% is never yours. It belongs to the future you. It should leave your account the same day your salary comes in. With this method, you will 1. Start looking for opportunities to earn more money, and 2. Invest the 20% to slowly build a better future. And if 20% feels too much right now, start with 10. You can always change it later. But where does that 20% actually go? Well, first, you need to split it. Ask yourself, do you have a saving goal right now? A holiday, an electric bike, or a home renovation? If you do, that changes how you divide your 20%. Let's say you want to buy an electric bike for 1,200 euros by the end of the year. That's 100 euros a month. So 100 euros of your 20% goes there, in its own separate account. This can be any percentage. It depends on your goal. The other part of your 20% goes to your future wealth fund. This is the money that works while you sleep. So run the numbers for your own situation. If your 20% is split into 5% toward your goals and 15% into your wealth fund, great. If it's 10 and 10, then that's also fine. 2 buckets with 2 different jobs. One keeps your short-term life running, and the other builds your future. Now here's the next step, something that most people never do. Everyone has a goal to invest some money into stocks each month. They do it the first month, the second month, and maybe the third month, but it isn't automated, which causes them to forget to invest it. The rich don't sit down on the first of every month and decide to invest. It already happened, automatically, before they could spend it. This is what you're gonna do as well. One automatic monthly transfer. You set it up once and forget about it. And where does it go? A good option is the S&P 500, the 500 biggest companies in America. Over the last 25 years, it has returned an average of around 10% per year. This is not financial advice, but this is a very good option to look at. Because remember, your savings account is only paying you about 1%. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between your money slowly dying and your money compounding year after year. So make sure to automate your transactions so you don't have to think about it anymore. The system does the work. You just have to build it once. Is this going to make you the next Bill Gates? No, probably not. But will it stop inflation from quietly robbing you every month? Yeah, and that's the point. I hope this video taught you something new. Subscribe if you want to learn more about the psychology behind your finances. I'll see you in the next one.